Let's go. We're back for Power Hour. Oh, buddy. What's going on, chat? How we doing? Who's alive? Who's dead? Danko's still here. The man, the myth, the legend. I don't know, we call him the man or the boy. The boy's back.
That sounds better, right?
The boy is back in the charts. What a crazy move today. Look at that. All the way back up there to the opening range again. Crazy. I don't even, like, how do you even trade this? Like, what do you do? You know, like, what do you do at this point? It's wild. Crazy. All right, how we doing? Who's up? Who's green? Who's red? Who's what? Who's got what going on? Anybody in the chat making money? Sean's up 8K. Sean's up 8K. All right, all right. Mr. Shawnee Wani in the honey, little Lonnie. How you doing over there, Danko? You alive? How's that Chipotle sitting? Feeling
Pretty
better
good.
now? A little full, got a full belly. Should have seen this guy, man. He fucking devoured. he got like fucking 4 things of chicken, white rice. He just
kind of like a double portion, yeah.
Yeah. The Bulgarians, they live with a very simple motto: seafood, eat food, because you might not know when you might get food again. If there's food on the table, they're gonna eat, baby.
Yeah,
they gotta eat.
In everything, there's a little bit of truth. So
yeah, I mean everything. You know, I've never
gotta
said
eat.
that I always speak the truth, but there are things that need to be said. This would be amazing if the Nasdaq somehow gets back above that 15-minute range end of day, wouldn't it?
yeah, it's gonna be. I mean, if that happens, then the market is just a complete nonsense for the day. Going back and forth like 7%.
Someone says that they bought my boat on my move. I doubt it. I highly doubt it. But if you made $1 million today, congratulations. But I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. Like, highly doubt it. Let's be honest.
Like highly.
Highly. I mean, what do you think? You think someone made $1 million a day watching the live stream? I highly fucking doubt it. All right. Just sitting back here waiting and watching. Power Hour coming up. You know what time the 350 algorithm starts?
I'm still struggling with this.
Yeah, well, sometimes right at 350, sometimes at 349, and then other times at 355. You just never know. You got to be ready. Everybody asking me, Patrick, can you make Apex do 90%? Okay. Hey, Apex, do 90% off. Thank you. Bye. Jay made $35,000 in his personal account today. What the fuck?
35 grand?
35 grand. This guy's
Holy
rich.
moly.
Fucking rich. It's like, look at this 15-minute candle right now. Like, it's trending higher, but you basically you have to have a, you know, I don't know, a 300-point stop loss basically.
Yeah.
I just don't know what you do. Like, I really don't know.
How do you trade that with a micro 300-point stop?
You need a nano. Where are the nanos at when you need them? Oh, Lord. It's funny because, like, if you look at it, just like look at the chart, you're like, oh, that's like a week of price action. Like, nope, just a few hours. I mean, normally the Nasdaq 18,000, 18,600. That's like, you know, a few days.
Yeah.
This is like a 1-day chart, 2-day chart, and then this is like the 3rd-day chart. What kind of watch is Danko rocking?
No,
Straight
it's
from
a-
Bulgaria, baby.
It's an Edox. It's a Swiss one. Pretty good, actually. I've been having it for 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
We were talking at lunchtime about your tennis prowess. I think Danko might be the #1 tennis player in the chat. Any
Maybe
other
around-
tennis
around the
players in the chat?
traders. I don't know. Let's
I
see.
mean, you're not that good. You know, wink, wink. Maybe we can get someone to commit to a tennis match.
Oh, let's
Money
do
on the
it.
line. $10,000. I got 10,000 on Danko. Who's up? Who we got in the chat? You play pickleball? Oh, I play pickleball.
We can play.
Damn, now they
pickleball
said they're gonna
sometime.
kick your butt in table tennis.
Oh, yeah?
Man. Oh, they got no faith. They got no faith in my Bulgarian boy over there. Come on, chat. Give some faith in the Bulgarian. He might look young, but I promise you, he can hit the ball.
There's only one way to find out.
Coffee Buff said that he played nationals last month and made it to semis in college.
Pretty good. No, that's very good, actually.
Varsity freshman year at Washington State University, John K. Okay, we got who would have thought that there are a bunch of tennis pros in the
chat.
tennis pros in the chat.
There's everything. Tennis pros,
Can
Bulgarian.
you if you were like, let's say you went to like a tennis club or like a tennis place or whatever, and like you just like watched other people playing, would you just know just by looking at them that you could beat them or not?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Like, what do you know? You just gotta see how they're hitting the ball and like, yeah.
No, it's not. It's just the way that they play the game. It's not the way that they hit the ball.
Yeah.
I mean, if you see that, you can easily
What's the secret to being good at tennis?
to
Other than obviously practicing, but like, let's say you're good at tennis, but like, how can you if there's two people that are both the same skill level of playing tennis, what is the one thing that one person can do to like have the edge over somebody else?
well, how you deal with pressure, I would say, and the other very important thing is to just pretty much be smart on the court.
Yeah.
Because there's so many. Everybody can hit the ball, especially if you go like.
Yeah.
If you go to like professional,
It's kinda
everybody
like
can hit the ball hard.
Yeah.
Everybody can
it's
do
like
it.
like playing a chess game sometimes.
Yeah.
Trying to get that person to like keep going left, and they're like,
Yeah.
in their head, they're like, it's coming left again. And it's like, wait, little tap
Yeah.
over.
Just
kind of playing those
try
little.
to cheat on the system.
Yeah.
I mean, the people that win the game are the one that deal with pressure good and just know when is the right time to actually be aggressive and pull the trigger.
That's kind of like, I mean, that sounds like you're talking about day trading. You kind of
Maybe
talking
that's
about
why I
day
got
trading now.
involved in day trading.
Knowing when to pull the trigger. I mean, that's half the battle with trading.
Well, tennis is a bitch. I
Yeah.
mean, tennis is a real bitch.
The tennis is like the Nasdaq.
Definitely, yeah.
Up and down. There's ups and downs.
There's so many people that retire from tennis just because they cannot handle the pressure.
Yeah.
It's the same thing over here. You're stressed out all the time. What's gonna happen? Is it gonna hit my stop loss? What's going on?
Fuck.
My money's on the table.
You're talking about me now. I'm stressed out right now just thinking about it. I'm stressed out right now just thinking about what's going to happen here.
Hey, we've been talking for like 30 seconds, 130 points up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Zero respect.
In any other day, any other market, any other world, we'd be like freaking out right now. Oh my God, it's ripping 60 points. It's going up 60 points right now in the last 2 minutes. It's ripping. Not today, though. Not today.
%50 reversal all the way from 0% down.
The what?
It reversed 50%.
Straight back up.
Yeah.
I mean, like we said, it was insane how we got right there. We were right at the 7% mark. Like on the dot, we hit 7%, and the market ripped straight back up after that. So interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Right now, Nasdaq trying to push back up there through the 600s. End of day, we got the VWAP right now. We pushed up there towards the VWAP, got stuck at the below the VWAP right now. We pushed up there to the bottom of that 15-minute range. 15-minute range, 675. Getting ready for power hour now. Anything can happen. It can go up, it can go down, it can go sideways as well, pretty much. It's time. Time to turn up the chat, the music. Power hour starting here in 1 minute. My favorite is people always ask me, like, what time does the power hour start? They're like, well, you know, normally the last hour of the day. There's not like a specific fucking, you know, time frame, but historically, the last hour is kind of like the power hour.
Yeah.
I mean, you also get the kind of, I would say that you get the power hour in the morning as well. Just more volume. More volume in the beginning of the day, more volume at the end of the day.
Yeah, pretty much 9
More
to 11
volume,
and then
more
2 to
action,
4.
more money. Basically, is how it works. All right, right now, VWAP there, 18,600s. Nasdaq pulling back here below the VWAP, but kind of, again, bounced off that 5-minute EMA there. 5-minute EMA there at the 540 area. Ooh. Straight down there again. 500 is 18,500.
Can we see the move all the way down to the 7% again?
See the move all the way down. Now you just be an anti-America, boy.
Yeah.
No, we're going up. End of day rip. End of day ripping up to the 19,000s. I don't know why, but I just believe in America, baby.
You love the longs, right?
Trump's, honestly, I'm totally fine shorting. It's just knowing that, like, hey, all it takes is Trump to tweet saying, hey, guys, this is a good time to buy, and then, bam, we go up 1,000 points. That's the world we live in now, you know? Like, look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. Right straight back up. 500 to 600. Bam.
Yeah.
It ain't over. I'm thinking, I'm telling you. I just don't see how the fuck we went all the way down there and then all the way back up and then we're going to go all the way back down there again. I don't see it. I don't see it. It's not what I'm seeing. What do you think, chat? We got what tomorrow is PPI. PPI news tomorrow. Yeah, I mean it's what's funny is look, it's just one big old bull flag. Really. I mean, just a massive fucking bull flag here. And remember, this is that area that we talked about this morning, like needing to basically test that hourly candle, the middle of that hourly candle. And look what we did. We tested it. I've been trading the PA accounts today, but I've been trading like one at a time, and it's been very eventful, actually, very eventful. So eventful today. So the hourly chart, I mean, fuck, I wouldn't be surprised. I don't know, 19,000 here, end of day. Break through the 15-minute range there?
It's gonna be insane.
That'd be wild. But I think it's doable. I don't know. Can you say happy birthday to my brother? He has cancer. I don't even fucking... How do I say that name, bro? It's a crazy name. Up there are the 650s again. Right to the bottom of that opening range low is 680s. That's that 15-minute opening candle. The low there, so. Will we get there? No ICT production for power hour. ICT, where's the market going to go now? Tell me. Please.
Sideways.
Sideways? Right now, just kind of consolidating right there below the opening range. So give it some time. We got power hour here. It's 3 o'clock. Official power hour. That's right. Tell everybody we're live for the hour of power. There's no more power than this hour, my friends. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen here. Live on YouTube. That 5-minute candle, where's it going to close at? We got to get above that 670 and then 770 up there, middle of that 15-minute range, that resistance there from earlier. New 5-minute candle opening up here. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of shorts. A lot of shorts with their stop here at this 670 area. 670 area. People are going to be sitting there trying to short right now, thinking this is going to pull back here. Bottom of that 15-minute range. A lot of shorts. A lot of shorts.
I'm wondering whether Top Step closed all these positions though.
There's a bunch of liquidity up there, 18,700 for now. So, we'll see. That last 10 minutes is going to be wild. 350 algorithm, it'll be absolutely insane. Market will probably move 500 fucking, who knows, 800 points. 5 million points during that hour. During that last 10 minutes. Still holding there at the VWAP for now. Looking at the 5-minute chart right now. Kind of the pattern has been pop, a drop, a pop, another pullback, a drop, and then now kind of that double top high up there. Will we get through that? I'd like to see us get back into that 15-minute range here, end of day. All right, there comes our pullback here into that EMA again. All right. Pulling back here. 500 test again. Joey Morgan Power Hour, you know. We're one chump. We're We're one tweet away from a fucking move, baby. Just one tweet is all we need. Come on, Trump. Doesn't he know I'm live right now? Come on, Trumpy Trump. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Hey, baby. Dear Mr. Trump, my name is Patrick Wieland, and I would love for you to tell me before you tweet.
Every time.
Every time. I gotta get on that Trump text message list. How do I sign up for that? Whatever.
Trump, yeah, I've seen
you get
that.
5 minutes. 5 minutes before he tweets, you get to see what he's gonna tweet. That would be sick. What does Bulgaria think about Trump?
I think everybody's pretty much neutral. Actually, they think that he's a crazy head.
Crazy, yeah. I mean, you'd have to be crazy to not think he's crazy.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, even I think he's crazy. Everyone thinks he's crazy.
I think everybody's crazy in their own way. But yeah, he's definitely crazy. I mean, I like him.
Nasdaq dumping back down here now. Where'd the power go?
In the hour. What is going on?
Pulling back here into that EMA again. Trying to look like, I don't know if I'd want to get short right here, but kind of testing that 480 area, 430s again. I think if we get below like this area here, maybe we look for shorts, but I don't love it.
I think you're just taking the buyers out at the moment.
Taking the buyers out. I like it. Fuck those buyers.
But if he pulls back a little bit, might not be a bad idea to short it. I mean, I took a short, but if we break it here, I think we're gonna pull down.
Just watching it here. On the flow.
Doji.
All right, we lose this 450 area. Then there's that 300 down here. Just hard to get short right here. Just fucking this way this market's been moving. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful, my friends. Oh, oh, oh. To go, oh, oh. Go, oh.
It either moves 200 points for like a couple minutes or just not doing anything.
This is where you get fucked because you're like, oh, look, it's slowing down. It's not moving crazy anymore. And then all of a sudden you get into a trade. Like you get short right here below 500 and then it rips up 50 points. Right there at the 500s now. I'm just stuck there at the 500s.
It's now or never.
All right, is this going to play out? Bear flag here, but I'm just chopping. No direction here. Just going sideways. This is why I'm worried about the short. I mean, fuck, this thing just ripped back up 650s.
For no time. I mean, it has to break at some point, either up or down.
Oh, it's going to break at some point, my
Yeah.
friend. Definitely going to break at some point. Is this the break?
Or the fake outs.
Again, big push back up. Right to the 500s again. $550s looking like. This is what I was saying. People were talking about the short right here, and I'm just like, get short right there and get blown up real quick, real easy. Push back up there to test that via moving average there on the 2-minute chart. Got the VWAP pretty flat right there as well at the 589 area.
It's like a barcode.
Barcoding. And there's the rip back up. So much for the shorts. Like I said, I don't like shorts until we get below this low here at the 300s. And even then I might not like it, but you just can't get short right here because this is going to go sideways, chop around some more, holding that 437 level. John Mikado, I told you to push back the view up. You know that I don't just like read the chat all day to find out where the market's going to go, right, John? You know that, right? Can I ask you a serious question, John? How old are you? Because you're so active in the chat. How old are you, John? Like how old? How old are you? Just wondering. I'm just wondering how old you are. 31. You're 31, John. What's your net worth, John? How much money do you make trading? Because if you knew that the market was going to push back to the VWAP, I mean, you must be a goddamn billionaire. And the funny part is, like, I just said, hey, there's a really good chance that we push back up here, and now John in the chat is reminding me that he already told us that. So you have a day job. So you're the best trader in the world, but you have a day job. That just seems counterproductive. Seems like, you know, if you're so good at trading, why do you not trade full time? That's all. I'm just wondering, you know. I'm not trying to hate. Just asking. I'm interested. I'm trying to learn, you know. What do people think in the chat? What do they do for a living, you know? How much money did John make today?
Couple mil.
Oh, easily a few million. No problem. No questions. John be making so much fucking money that he got all the time in the world to come here to this live stream and tell us about it. I hope to get that rich. One day I'm going to be as rich as John. I'm excited for that day to come. Where I got nothing else to fucking do but go on YouTube and sit in the chat and tell people that I told you so. That's going to be the greatest moment of my life to get to that point. All right, Nasdaq back to the fucking VWAP. Oh my God. Key levels here, that 600, the 700 kind of like resistance, support. We're in the middle of these two levels. Which way do we go now? Another kind of lower high here. This little lower high, another little lower high. The ups and the downs here in the market today. Right now, the VWAP acting as resistance, clearly. Back to the 500s. VWAP resistance is real.
Is that gonna be the break to the downside or just another?
Just another chop. Just more choppy chop. Come on now. You know how that goes. All right, we're getting closer and closer here to the 350 algorithm. I think either way, we're going to get a lot of volatility around that end of day close.
Oh, what a push.
Big little squeeze back up there again. Like, crazy. That's like 50-point little pop and drops here. It's absolutely insane. $18,600 acting as resistance for now. Just going sideways, chopping around here. Not really much you can do. Oh, God.
Not so much power in the hour.
Flat hour. Flat hour. Hour's flat. I mean, should move down here now, I guess. That 15-minute candle looking pretty fucking heavy here. But at this point, you might as well just be guessing. All right, there she goes, down 400s now. What are you doing over there? Just looking?
Trying to
Watching?
think. I want to go short, but it's too late. Man. Just put one micro just like that. Trying to pass an eval because I don't want to blow the profit that I got on the trade to fund the one.
Fair enough.
Plus, if I keep making money over there, I mean, of course I can also lose, but if I keep making, then the consistency is thrown away.
Yeah, the consistency rule is.
So I'm just gonna fuck around with this evo.
Someone in the chat people are yelling out short in the chat. I don't know, chat. I'm not shorting until we get below 300 there. Either way, so y'all do what you're gonna do, but I don't know about that. Just being patient. Something good's gonna happen. Trust me. Something will happen here. Sometimes not taking a trade, honestly, is the best thing that could happen. I want to be really convinced that we're making a move here.
Little rejection from the EMA.
What?
Little rejection from the EMA.
Rejection at the EMA once again. Had a big old body candle to the downside, big old body candle back to the upside. I ain't buying it. I don't know. It just seems like it wants to go up here. They're trying to get it back above that 500 level again. Nasdaq just holding here for now. Would like to see us break out of this kind of range here at some point. We've been in this range now for what? About an hour or so.
Somebody's asking whether you took a trade today.
No trades today. We don't trade here. This is just for entertainment, people. No trading allowed. What the fuck is this music?
Definitely not Bulgarian though.
All right, well, the market's going absolutely fucking nowhere right now. We got about 14 minutes until the MOC. 14 minutes till MOC here, so just waiting for something to happen. Down there again to the 400s. MOC 350 algorithm kicking in, baby. All right. Testing that low again there, 380 area.
It's gonna reject again there?
My camera is so hot. It just won't go down. There she goes. I told you twice. This camera is so stupid. Fuck. All right, market moving down here through the 400s now.
Come on, dump already.
Oh, fucking no. These fucking cameras overheating. They're not even hot. Like, so stupid. It's a brand new fucking camera, too. I don't get it. All right, market down here through the 400s now. This little level I was looking at earlier to get through. We'll see how that reacts there. There she goes through the 300s now. All right, so now I'd be looking, I want to see us break through that level from earlier. If we're looking for a short, get through that level and then set up for a flag set up there. Crazy move in the markets here. All right, testing that 300 area right here, right now. Market down 5% on the day here.
Can we make it 7 again?
You got the 200s down there next. She's a dumping. Just straight through there now. Oh, man. Well. There she goes. 260s. Fuck this camera! Why's your camera not turned off?
It's a good question. Let's switch them.
What?
You want to switch them?
Switch the cameras? No, there's more camera. I don't fucking know. Down there to the 250, just keeps dumping now. There's that move right through the 300s now. Nasdaq, end of day here. VWAP earlier, 18,600, holding it down. Look at that. Holding it down there. Now you see the 5-minute chart market moving down there, 250. Ooh, she's a bleeder. Yeah, no, this is just tricky, sticky. I don't know what to do. Well, now it's a little fucking, like, you can't short down here right now. You got to be patient. Still going lower. Your arms, I see you're the one. All right, this is kind of that reaction here at the 300s. Let's see what happens. We got about 4 minutes until the 350 algorithm kicks in. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Sun up baby, when time was left in your eyes. Just trying to wait for this 350 algorithm kick in because we're gonna get a big move either way. Big move coming. Big move coming here. End of day 350 algorithm.
The question is which side?
Well, that's always the question, my friend. Nobody knows. Well, we just look for some momentum in either direction, and then we trade it. If I was a betting man, I'd say we move down. But that's easier said than done.
There's another little bear flag over here.
Getting a little bear flag here.
Little tiny one.
Rest of me. Back below the 300s here. Got a minute until 350, obviously, but If we lose this, kind of looking for this area again. End of day, if this bear flag breaks to the downside here, move down there to the 18,075s here. Get ready for volatility here in about 30 seconds. Watch it just rip straight back up as well. That's also a possibility. There's so many possibilities here, chat. So many. But right now,
5
looking pretty
seconds.
bearish below this 300 level.
Ooh, golly.
And there's that 350 algorithm. Pumped it right back up there. Gotta love this market.
Taking
Right
all
back
the
up there
sellers
to
out.
that EMA again there on the 2-minute chart. Obviously the bear flag did not play out. Luckily did not short there, so it's always good. Nice that you don't short right when that, when it pops up fucking 500 million points. Always nice. Everybody in the chat told me, I know. Someday, one of these days, I'm gonna learn how to trade, chat. I'm gonna learn. Someday, one day, it's gonna happen. Just keep coming back, and one day you'll be impressed. And this is the problem. Like, what are you gonna do? I don't fucking know. From 300, 450, 150 point, just rip straight up. LOL. Market said, "Fuck your bear flag." Literally. Market said, "Fuck your bear flag." Fuck your bear flag, Patrick. All right. Now what? Now what happens?
No, it looks like we call it a day. I don't know.
What?
Maybe we call it a day.
Call it a day? Fuck.
At 355, something is going to happen.
Just right back up there in the middle of the fucking range again. Gotta love it. Matt7 says he calls 18,500 when it's 20 points away from it. Everybody, I think it's gonna go above 500. Hey, everybody in the chat, I just want to let you know that there's a good chance that we might do the 500 here. Okay, get ready for the 500.
It's a tough call to make.
He got it. He got 500. I wonder, like, I just don't understand. Like, what does the chat want? Like, what do you want? You know what I mean? Like, what do they want? Like, what do these people want? You know, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? I just don't get it. Like, what do you want? Like, what do you want me to say? Hey, Matt, congratulations. You picked a fucking level on the chart and it went through it. Congratulations, Matt. Thank you, Matt. How did we ever survive? How am I ever going to survive without fucking Matt in the chat telling me 18,500? It's fucking amazing, you know? I'm just so happy. And then everybody else in the chat that said it was going to go down to 18,100. Y'all are fucking morons, all right? Everybody else, other than Matt, is a fucking moron. I just don't get it. Like, I just don't know what people want. They get, like, upset when I don't give them, like, but Patrick, I said 5 hours ago. Patrick, 5 hours ago, I said the market was going to go up. And look, it went up. I'm the best. Now what do we do, Matt? Oh, my God, it crashed down 100 points. Did you tell us about this happening, too? Did Matt tell us in the chat that it was going to go down from 500 to the 400s? Or did he not tell us about that part? Matt didn't tell us about that part, I guess. Dude, I called it when it was 18,400. I said it was going to go to the 500. You know what I mean, though? It don't mean shit. It doesn't mean shit. You know, it don't mean fucking shit. Why are you here? I just don't get it. Like, why be here? You know, like, how... Think about it. Like, how unfucking happy is your life? How shitty is your fucking life that you spend any moment of your life coming to this live stream and then sitting here talking shit? Like, how fucking much of a loser are you? You know, like, I don't know, go watch porn. Go fucking do anything else. You know, do something for yourself. If you're so fucking if you're an expert day trader, why the fuck are you sitting on the internet telling people? It fucking blows my mind. I was not in a short. I had no position. God. Bro, all he did was call it. Yes, I know. I fucking know. Every day, everybody calls it, and I get it wrong every day. It's always the same fucking shit. What do you want from me? I just don't get it. I'm just like, I'm this fucking close. I don't know. I'm just fucking over it. Every day, it's like, I get it. You called it. You win. But how much money did you make? How much fucking money did you make? Who cares if you fucking called it? Yeah, it don't mean shit. It literally means nothing. So unless you fucking make money, we don't give a fuck. God.
But he called it.
He called it. I seriously hate fucking YouTube. I cannot wait. I'm just like, I just fucking hate YouTube. It's literally the worst place in the world. I would rather just like fucking stab myself in the face with nails all day and fucking sit here and read the chat. I swear to God, I'd just rather just fucking bang my head against the wall. Like, what a fucking joke. God. And the Nasdaq ripped right back up off the 300 level up there to the 500 level. So congratulations to everybody in the chat that called it. I'm very happy for you. I'm very happy. Very happy for everybody in the chat. But also, you know, the people that called out that the market was going to go to 1800, you know, what about those people? They called that and it didn't go there. So what happened to them? Oh, yeah. this chat. Peter and Kath, will you shut the fuck up about the volume node? That don't mean shit. I'm literally now I'm banning people that are literally paying memberships for this chat because we don't want to. I don't give a fuck. Patrick, the volume node. The MOC always goes to the volume node. It doesn't. It doesn't always go. So shut the fuck up. It doesn't. God, if anybody in the chat that ever says something always happens, you're full of shit because you don't. It doesn't. Okay, it does. There is not one thing in this fucking market that always does anything. God. Every day. Patrick, did you not know that every day the volume node? There is nothing in this market that happens every day, always. Other than it opens and it closes. That's the only thing. Everything else, there is no fucking 100% anything. God. I'm so like, I fucking hate Power Hour. I fucking hate YouTube. I fucking hate it all. I just hate it. Ugh. And there it goes. Pull it back. 4 o'clock. Awesome. Well, that was fun. It was fun. Kill me now. Helicopter crash in the Hudson River. It's not good. Oh, man. What do you got to say, Danko? Anything? You want to say anything?
Speechless.
Speechless. He's over it, too. I'm over it. Everybody's over it.
I think somebody called that the market is going to close at 4.
Oh, shit. Wait. Somebody said the market was going to close at 4 o'clock? Fuck. How did I not know this? How did I not know the market was going to close at 4 o'clock today? I wish the chat would have told me. So, there it is. Another day, another dollar. We'll be back tomorrow. Well, I'll be back tomorrow for Fresh Cash Friday. Maybe I won't. I don't fucking know. We'll see. But there it is. Gotta love it. Having fun trading on YouTube. Peace to the Middle East. Well, you say peace?
Oh, you want me to say it too? You want to say it together?
No, you
like we're in the picture?
No. You gotta say it.
Chat. Thanks for having me.
Just go fuck themselves. Y'all can go fuck yourselves.
Well, I didn't want to say it, but pretty much. All right, guys. Peace to the Middle East.
You sound like that sounds like that don't sound like me.
Oh, you want me to sound like you?
You sound more like me. Yeah.
Well, let me think. Let me think. I can do the later on thing, but this.
Damn,
pumping.
God, maybe we'll go deeper.
A little deeper?
I don't know.
All right, let's do it. Peace to the Middle East.
Yeah, no, it's not hitting. It's just not working.
Come on, man.
All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East.